So students, hope you all have done this much of work as it has been given previously. So what we will going to do, we will going to complete this form. So this is the male figure structures which we have started before two assignments. So last assignment you have done how to draw female figure postures and all these things. So again we are starting from this male figure male figure structure. So as I am telling that this is a structure, so how to complete these structures with dresses and detailings on the faces and all these things. So that's what we will going to teach, we will going to learn from today. So let's start the thing. So as you all have done this type of figures, so some few things which will be omitted from here, which we don't require as we complete the work. So these are the structural point which we have done previously. For understanding, for detailing, we have to omit this portion. So few places we have to delete. So now if we start from the head, so as this is a skull portion, so here it will be the eyes and nose level. So in between the eyes and nose level there will be the ears on this side, and the other side that will be another ears. So from here if we draw the nose, here it will be the hair, here will be the hair. Now this is a skull, above the skull there will be the hair, so it has got some thickness, so it will be above the skull area. So like this. So it is becoming dirty as because I am not rubbing this line, so I am showing you by rubbing this line. So it will be like this. So now the nose came here. After that you will make the lips, then here will be the face. Now just on this point there will be the eye, neck will be as it is, this will be the structure of your dress. So remember, dress take the shape of our body doesn't take the shape of the dresses. So as it will get a tensions on this shoulder part, and it will get relaxed on this hand. Since it's a running figure, so I am making a type of jerseys. So this is the structure. Same over here it will be relaxed like this. So if we're going to rub these things, then everything will look nice. Now see, this is the thing. This is the structure. This is the t-shirt. Now if we consider the pant, again here it will come like this. So this is the thing. So you have to think and you have to draw where this stretching is going on. So as I have it is a block, so according to this block these folds will come. Now these blocks will turn up into fold, so it will not come till at the back. That's why it will be like this. And nextly we can rub this knee blocks little bit, but structures will be there since there is no muscles in knee. So bones are much more prominent in knee portion, so we can keep it like this. In case of elbow, we can draw it like this. So this is how we will going to make the detailings. So in case of profile figure of this running figure, and the second, this is the frontal face of a running figure. Here also we will make the same thing. We will create a hair portions, ear portions, same. So just few things we have to do. Just wavy lines means what? That clothes doesn't have its own shape. So that's why I'm giving wavy lines. Okay. So for better understanding, if you draw the same figure once again, and then you do these draperies and all, means this clothes, then it will be for your better understanding. Now since it's a t-shirt is there, so this rib cage and all these parts is immaterial over here. So I'm going to rub these things that was drawn for your understanding. So I have rubbed this thing. Now here it will be some creases like this. Creases are very much important in few places. If you don't give creases, then dresses will not look proper enough. So like this. Here also you make the pant. Like this. These prominences will not be there. This much prominent it will not be here. So it will be like this. And rest part will be same as it is. So in case of knee, you can rub a little bit. This is the case. So this is how you have to do the dresses. Here, since this body is in bending position, so whole formations of these back portions will take the stretched part. Since the dress doesn't have any since the dress doesn't have any shape of its own, so it will hang here in these portions. I'm making a full pant over here. Creases will be there. So like this. If you rub these portions, it looks like a full pant. So for better understanding, if you draw, repeatedly I'm telling, for better understanding, if you draw these portions, I mean these structures again and again, then it will going to help you a lot in future. And when it will be practiced, when it will come in your grip, that time you don't have to draw only, directly you can draw a human figure. Okay, anywhere and any place you can draw this human figure properly. Same way in case of hands. So what we're going to do, here I have, this will be the elbow, so like this. This is the ear. Similarly, in place of ear, here will be the nose, here will be the lips, this is the face, here will be the eyes. So likewise you have to do. So this is the three figure. Now this time I will give one more interesting assignment, that is these structures you have done, these structures also you have done. So this is a side view or the profile view as we say. So I will suggest you all to draw the opposite view of this figure. Means suppose this boy is running this facing this side, you have to draw facing that side, but by watching this figure you will draw the opposite figure facing that side and it is running. Same way this figure is kneeling down this side, so you have to draw another figure which is kneeling down that side. So likewise you have to draw. So in this way if you study human figure, so in that case the system or the proforma or the format, whatever you say, that will be clear up properly on your mind. So right now what you are doing, you are just copying from my work. So if you try something out of the track which is not there, which is not given directly, which you don't have to copy, so that time you have to use your brain. So if you use your brain in case of reverse drawing, don't take this means carbon copy, because if you make a carbon copy then impressions will come. So don't take it like that, don't cheat with yourself. If you cheat with yourself, then afterwards this lagging will be there and it can be captured easily. So better you try the reverse positions of each profile figure. This figure is a frontal face, you have nothing to do, only these two figures. So other than this, some more figures I have shown like this. So this was a climbing figure, this was a sitting posture. Same way if we are going to make this thing, make the eyes, this is a climbing figure. So since the climbing is going on in front, so tensions will be created in front. So dresses what you are making, let me rub this extraneous element from this figure, that time I will make you understand easily. So while it is moving in front, so dresses will be relaxed at the back, so it is stretched in front like this. Okay, this hand also I am making it finalize. So like this it will come. In case of pant also like this. So it will not bend like this, it will come like this if it is a loose pant. Like this. So try it from basic structure, afterwards you will do the, automatically you will come to understand what will be the shape of different types of dresses once you get clear with these normal positions, normal dresses. So if we rub this internal part, you will see it is totally looking like a complete figure. So don't forget to give the creases. Few creases will come in different places. Okay. So if we think of like this man is climbing something, and if you give on stick this man's hand, it will looking like it is climbing. In case of this hand, So it will be like this. Normally you do this type of faces for now on. Later on we will going to show you how to draw a portrait or how to draw a face properly. So this is the structure. Now if we come for this figure, as it is not done properly in proper place, so I'm just shifting it little bit back. I'm showing. So this man is sitting in one place. So it will be like this. If we come to this back proportions, so all these portions will not be visible. This is the structure. This is the leg. So upper part we will see very less, since it's the back part and it is bending positions, up back portions in bending moment. So in that case it will be like this. So this type of figure is very much essential for some agricultural part. If you draw some pictures based on agriculture, so that type, this type of figures is very much essential. So this way you can do. One more figure I am drawing here. You can draw that one also. So when you will habituated with the more practice, that time you will draw like this, as I am drawing. Understood? A yoga posture. Normally sitting in for doing asana, like this. So these are the few figures you can do. Profile figures such as this one profile figure, two profile figure, two is here and two is here, one profile figure, another profile figure. That means here you are getting two figures, here you are getting two figures, here you are getting two figures, here you are getting two figures. Then what? 8 figures you are getting here, 9, 10, 11. So 11 figures you have to draw like this by putting up these dresses and all, and you have to complete this work and you have to submit it to me as you are doing for last few assignment. So follow this thing properly, and every time I will suggest again and again, I am telling, if you can draw this structure, the structure which has been shown previously, if you can draw the structures again in a separate page, and there if you can draw this thing, that will be very much essential and that very much beneficial for your understanding and for your task. See, this kind of work is not only for 1 or 2 days. It doesn't mean that from next year you will throw this copy and it will just what I have learned, and it is not required. It's not like that. This study of human figure is very much essential, and as long as you have attached with this drawing portions, drawing subject. So if you have any sort of problems or any sort of hindrance while making this drawing in any of your age, that time if you refer to these copies, if you refer to these human figures, it will be very much essential. It will going to help. So from here you can get this reference. Okay. So keep this thing in mind and be honest with your work. It will definitely help you a lot, and it will definitely helps to develop your skill. So thank you, children. Looking forward for your good response. Thank you.